Hey guys, welcome. So, how are you doing? And good evening, great. Okay, so let me see who all are active. Hi Manoj, hi Giraz, hi everyone, Hemant, Vijay, Devesh, great. You guys are here? Awesome. So, good evening to all of you. So, we'll start the session in a second. So, it's Hemant. Good evening, Hemant. Great, Nitish. Yeah, Nitish, I'm good. Good evening, Nikhil. Good evening, Sankara. So let me have a look. Yeah. So today, like your comments are on the big screen. Yesterday, and I have kept the code on the small screen. Okay. Yeah, Ashita, tell me the doubt. One doubt regarding the assignment. Yeah. Ashita, 12D roll number. Okay. Great. So is this your school or college email ID? Okay. Okay. So my question, Nitish, what is your question? How are you? Of course, I'm good, Nitish. Okay. Hi, Chandan. Hello, guys. Okay. So, shall we start? Or anyone has something to ask from the previous sessions? Yeah, okay, Nitish, I got your question from there. Okay, and this depends, like the amount of time we have, we'll continue teaching the topic. Okay. So, see, after the React, we'll go to context API. Okay, and slowly proceed from there. Okay. Hello, hello. All files in which we make changes. Shit, I did not get you. Sir, we have to submit app.js or only the whole file? No, no, it's always better to submit the whole file. You will push the whole file to GitHub, right? So submitting the whole file will be a much better option. I mean, so the whole project. Even if you submit a single file, it's totally acceptable. Okay. Okay. And it is, we'll talk about Redux. Let's leave that topic for now. Okay. Let's go learning web dev. Great. Okay, guys. So I think most of you are here now. I think we shall start, right? Okay, great. So let's start. Yeah, yeah. The about the APIs, right, Jay? Yeah, I think so. I can cover it. So let's have a look. Okay. So now my head is being cut in the video. I don't like that. So now, yeah, now it's better. Okay. So now let's start. Okay. So let me share my screen. Share screen. Screen one. Share. So hope you guys can see my screen, right? Yeah. Awesome. So this is my code. So let me know the amount of zoom you guys need. Okay. So I'm waiting for that. Yeah. So I hope, is this zoom level okay to all of you? Or should I zoom more? Let me know. So yesterday we were discussing about this, the find winner. This was your assignment. In case if you guys have done it well and good. In case if you have not done it, then let's understand it. Okay. Okay, guys. So is the zoom level perfect, right? Okay, more zoom. Okay. So hope it's better now. It's too much. I think this is better. More. Let me know if it is visible. Let me check here. I think this is okay. You guys can see it, right? Yeah, more. Okay. You guys need more zoom. Yeah. So hope this is okay now. Yeah. Okay, it is better, sir. Okay. Let me know if you need zoom or unzoom. Let me know. Okay. Yes, perfect. Okay. So let's be guys here. Okay. So find winner. Oh wow. Okay, I think this has got active for me. What do you say? See, the code is being suggested for me. The complete code. I did not wrote a single thing, right? That means for me, this Copilot has got active. Great, guys. Okay, in case if you don't know about Copilot, GitHub Copilot, have a look on YouTube. Okay, and very congratulations to me. Finally, GitHub gave me that access. Great. We'll discuss about that a little later. Okay, but I'm not using this code. I'll write line by line. Okay, so you guys can understand. Okay, this is so good. Great news. Okay. Okay. So let's begin. So now, like, see, this is the array we are discussing about, right? So now what we need to check that we need to write all the 8 winning condition, right? Okay. So what are the possible winning condition that we can have? Okay. So we discussed yesterday. Okay. Let me do one thing. Just 1 second, guys. Yeah. So now it has got started. Annotate screen. So let's start with the row. So or column, whichever you want to start with. So like let's start with the row. So this it will be equal one condition. Then this will be the second condition, and this will be the third condition, right? So let's do one thing. Okay, so let's write the third all the row condition. Then we'll go to the column condition, and then finally we'll go to the diagonal condition. Okay, these will all be the 8 condition, right? Okay, so let's come here. Okay, so if a0 double equals to, okay, wow, it's suggesting me a lot of things. Okay, I'm not going with the suggestions, I'm writing it. Okay, guys, a1 and a0. I think wait, let me check, guys. Is my I think hope you know about do anyone know about Copilot here? GitHub Copilot. So we are using single dimension array, but we'll display 2D array like a structure. Can't we just use 2D array or just 1D array? Okay, see, this array I'm just using it for this like storing the values. I'll display it later. That design will work out. Okay, using the grid layout. It is okay. Okay. So now this is okay. A0 is equals to A1 and A0. Sorry, just a second. Sorry, guys. Sometime random call comes and I just don't want any calls at this moment. Okay, and a0 is equal a. Now I'm very excited to check out the GitHub Copilot, but I'll do it later. Right? You saw a sample of it, right? The things are very well being suggested. I think yesterday only it got active, so my suggestion improved, right? Yesterday in the yesterday class, I was getting a lot of good suggestions, right? Okay. So now a0 is equals to a1 and a0 is equals to a2. So what will happen? That means all the three are equal, right? So is this condition sufficient, or should I add anything more here? What do you guys say? Okay, like I'm just talking about a condition, not here. Here I'll do the same thing. Like see, if this condition is true, that what does that means? Like someone has won, right? Either X has won, and it's not a big thing. Just search about it, you'll get it. Or after a while, I'll explain it to you. Let me complete this function first, okay? Okay, GitHub Copilot is a very interesting thing that has came recently. Okay. Okay, what do you mean by more? Add more. And what should I add more? That's the point, Suraj and Jigesh. So after checking if three are same, we also need to check if they are filled or not. Very good, Jam. That's a great. That is what I was expecting. He mean to say. Let's have a look here. Like, see, what is my current condition? So this will be my tic-tac-toe game and the design part, something like this. So what will happen? Like, see, this is a 0 place. Okay. This is the first place and this is the second place. So what I'm telling, whatever value is here, this place, okay, this place value and this place value, all are being compared. If they are equal, that means I will that like one of the person has won the game. If it is X, X has won the game. If it is O, then O has won the game. Okay. But the problem is, like, see, I have filled it with space. Sorry, empty. So what will happen? So all three empty, like all the three are empty. So that means they are equal, right? So even now also you'll get it right. The person has won, but technically the person has not won until someone marks something. We should not compare, right? Okay. Hope this is clear to all of you. Yeah, Jag, great Jag. That was a very good solution. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just check a condition, see it's getting suggested. Awesome. I may use the power of suggestion. Okay. Okay. Now even I got the suggestion, but okay. This is okay. This is from Copilot. Okay. Great. Of course, we'll discuss about the Copilot at the end. Copilot is really great, very interesting. Okay. So what I'll do, I will now what should I do after this? The problem is giving you suggestions so you guys can see what you have to answer. But anyway, okay. So the thing is, like, let's have a look. Now all the three are equal. That definitely means someone has won, right? So we should put the set message here, right? Like one person has won. But who has won? How to find out? Like I have just checked, the three things are equal, right? The three values that are here are equal. But what are they? They can be X, they can be O. So what should we write here? Who has won? What do you guys say? Yeah, Jay. I'll be coming to that. Even I'm excited to explain you that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so, Smita, let's discuss about the thing here. Then you can talk to her later. Okay, regarding industry. Why you cannot disable? I can disable it, but it's so interesting that I don't want to disable Kunal. Okay. Okay, I'll discuss about this after completing this function. Okay. Okay, so now what I need to write? Okay, so A0 will have a values, right? Someone wrote it, Jan. That's great, Jan. Okay, so now see, A0 has a value, right? What is A0 here? A0 will be whatever is present in this index. So my array name is, okay, I have done a mistake here, guys. I have taken A. I went with the suggestion, right? Okay, then the name of my array is tic tac array. Okay, those are some silly mistakes that I usually do. Okay, so let's correct it. Okay. Okay, let's correct it. And also you have received that error, right? Okay, so the winner is tic tac a, and whatever is value is stored, like all the three has same value. So if it is O, it will come as O. If it is X, then it will come as X. So of course, okay, what happened? Yeah. So this is the person who has won. If you want to add some more messages to it, you can write some more messages. Okay, what message do I want to write it? X has won. Okay, something like this. Okay, now let's think about the second condition. Okay, so I reduce the zoom a little, and let's see if you guys will be comfortable. It will be much easier to write the conditions. So what I'll do, let's think about the next condition. So else if, okay. So now I'll be very little quick writing the condition. So hope you are okay, clear with the condition, right? So I can go with the logic. Let's see if I get a suggestions. Now when I want a suggestion, it has given me a suggestions. Let me go with the tab. Okay. So else if tic tac array 3, 4, okay, 3 is equals to 4, and 3 is equals to 5, and 3 is not equal to 0. Great. So which is this row? This is like 3, 4, and 5. That means, like, see, you have already done 0, 1, 2, right? 0, 1, 2, the first row. This is the second row, right? Now we'll talk about the third row. So I also have a doubt why you can't. No, Smita, we can definitely disable Copilot, but you can see it's giving such a nice suggestion, right? Right. So you have to type less, right? Of course, we can disable. Like I can go here, go for Copilot. Okay. GitHub Copilot. I can click on disable, but I don't want to disable it, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. You want to? Oh, okay. 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 Better now. Okay. Okay. So now let's write the next condition. Okay. It's suggesting me the condition. Like, see, it has suggested me a condition. So now if something is suggesting you so great conditions, I don't want to disable it, right? Okay. Now see, it has already written it for you. Now this is the power of Copilot. Okay. Accept. Okay. So now this has done. So okay, now this is the next condition. So you guys can see how I am getting a suggestion. AI is on the way of helping, right? Anyway, I'll explain it. So just we can explore both the things together, the Copilot and this thing. We have already discussed on this, no? So I am using Copilot. Okay. Let's go with Copilot. Let's see how correct the suggestions are. Accept. Okay, awesome. I'm really impressed by Copilot. So someone asked me, can we use Copilot with React? Now this is the answer for you. Okay. Now, is Copilot good for beginners? See, every tech that comes, okay, whether it's bad or good, if people are using it, you have to use it. We don't say it's good or bad. Okay. Tab. So okay, that's awesome. Okay, that's tab. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I'll explain you all the things. Just I think I should disable or everything will come here. Else, if. Okay. Okay. So let's see what are the conditions we have written till now. So take tag command z wait. Okay. Anyway, so let's see what are the conditions we have written. What is the condition? What is this condition? This is like 0, 1, 2. This is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. Correct? What is the condition of this? This is like the first column 0, 3, and 6, right? So this is the first column. Okay, wait, let me check. This is 0, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Okay, this is the first column. And this is the second column. So now we have to write the third column. So I'm not getting suggestions. Let's complete it on the way. So I have written 2. What will be the next thing? Let's, in case if you're not okay remembering the values, this is the way you can do it. Like every time you cannot depend on suggestions, right? It's in the beta phase, right? So like see, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. So now this is my second row, 1, 4, 7. Last row will be 2, 5, 8, right? So 1, 4, 7 has been already written. So it will be like 2, 5, and 8, correct? So let's write it 2, 5. Okay, I got it. So 2, 5, and 8, and finally take tag array 2. So now you can see here I have got, there are number of places where I have written this is not equal to 0, or even if you want, you can write like this. I think both the things are totally equal or same. It's same, right? Because see, what does this means? This means there is a value. It's not like empty or null. Okay, so now great. Let's close it and let's write it. So now here I got it. Tab. Tab, I think tab. Okay, accept. Okay, so now this condition is over. What is the next condition? Else if. Okay, so now I need to write tic tac toe array, and it will be something like tic tac toe and tab. Wait, there's some now. This 2 will be like the diagonal, the right diagonal, right? Now I'm writing the right diagonal 2, 4, and 2, 6, and tic tac array 2. So this is the right diagonal I am talking about. Okay, so what should I do here? Then I'll just do set winner. Let's tap. Okay, so 2 has won. And what is the last condition that is remaining? The left diagonal, correct? We got it automatically for us, and that's the best thing. And this is done. So I really don't understand. Okay, sir, please select fit the screen option in VS Code. And can you tell me where is that option, Prashad? I'm not sure where that option is. Okay, just can like if you are telling me some options, let's let me. It is in code file where it is or in view. I don't know. Okay, okay. So let me know. Okay. So now let's great. So we have written all the 8 conditions. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So it's wrong to say we have written it. It's the co-pilot who has written it for us. Okay. That's great. So anyway, I think is find winner function clear to all of you? Though we used co-pilot here a lot, but is it clear to all of you? Okay, just alt plus z. Okay, let me try. So I am on Mac. First of all, so alt plus z may not work. Okay, I think this is all. So there is some mistake here. Okay, I did forgot to put a bracket. Okay, so rest everything is correct. Yeah. So now let's go to the next thing. Okay, so use code wrap. Sir, my question. Okay, what's Smita? What is your question? Sir, we can write code in Jupyter Notebook. I'm writing JavaScript. No, Jupyter Notebook. I think it's for Python. I'm not sure even it supports JavaScript. I'm not sure about that. Okay. Okay. So okay, now it's even suggested me what should be my next method. See, it's even suggesting me this should be my next method. That's I should check the winner. Okay, anyway, now I'll not use any suggestions. I'll write the plain thing so you guys need to understand. Okay, so what should my like see? I have already found out who will be the winner. I have already done how to reset the game. Okay, so what is remaining? Can someone tell me? Toggle auto wrap setting. Okay, so let me go there. I need to go to setting. Okay, system preferences, command palette. Okay, okay, or let me do one thing. Okay, sorry, I went to the wrong settings. Okay, just command. Okay, just command palette. Okay, and I need to type toggle. So toggle auto wrap. Let me have a toggle auto wrap. I did not get anything like toggle auto wrap. Anyway, leave it. We'll see it later. Okay, no worries. That's over. Game over. Okay, Ritam. What do you mean by game over? No, no. Like, see, what all things we have done. See, the first thing we have done is to find out who is the winner. Second thing, the reset the game. Okay. Now the next thing that is remaining, like let's suppose now we have 9 boxes, right? Now when I click on certain boxes, okay, this should change to what? This should either change to X or this should change to O. This is one condition. The other condition is like suppose something is already there. So now if I click on this box, it should not change to anything, right? So there are a few things that we should write a condition for, right? When what should appear, what should not appear, these all conditions, right? Am I clear? Score counter. Okay. Where is the score? I did not take anything like score, right? Sir, will we call find winner function after every move? Yeah, definitely, sir. We have to do it after every move, right? Okay. Draw method, strap. Okay, Nabi. Okay, that's great, guys. So now let's have a look. Okay. So what will we do? We'll do like let's write a function. Okay. Okay. So now let's write it fast. I think it's suggesting me something. So let's take a different name so it does not keep change item. Okay. So let's give it a. I'm using arrow functions. Hope you guys are okay with arrow functions. Did I guys explain you about arrow functions? No. Yes, I explained you. Okay. Okay, it's not suggesting me anything for the change item. Okay, that's great. Of course, Copilot is smart, but not so smart, right? Okay. So now we have to write our own code. So see, the first condition that I'm writing, if win message. Okay, what does this mean? This means if the game has already won, like if there's a win message, what does that mean? If there's some message, okay, I'll close this. Wait. Okay, it means if there is a message in the win, what does that mean? That means game has already got over and someone has won the game, right? If that is the case, then what can I do it? If that's the condition, then like see, what I mean to say. Now let's suppose the game has over after 3 to 4 moves only. Like see, someone plays star, then someone plays 0, then he plays star, then he plays 0, then he again plays star. So the game is over. X has won the game. So after that, if O tries to move, he should not be able to move, right? Okay, this should not be allowed, right? So we'll just check if the person, if there is a win message in that condition, what can I do? Like I should write something like the game has already been completed, and that thing should be visible on the screen. So how can I guys do that? What should I use? Can anyone recommend me? Enter a value should not be overwritten when clicked on the same. Okay, lose method, yes. Clear all fields. Stop game and should exit and quick display. So write a loop instead of 8 if else. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, it's suggested at the same method, right? But since this was quite easy and it was quite easy for all of you to understand it, so I went with this. Okay. Toastify, that's a great suggestion, Anuva. Now is the time to use Toastify. Okay, why should I use a Toastify? The reason is if the game has already been over and if someone is trying to still click and play the game, I should give him a message. The game has got over and please restart the game if you want to play, right? Okay. So good evening, Saurabh. Okay, so let's continue. So now what should I write? How should I write a toast? So like so this is a syntax to write a toast. You can see it in the documentation. So I got it from their documentation. So I'll write a return, okay, because this is a method, right? Toast. So this see, I already imported toast here, right? Okay. So toast is here. In the toast, now toast accept 2 parameters. So what is the first parameter? The first parameter is the message that you have to accept a message. So what will be the message? So I can write some message like any suggestions about the message, or I can write the game has already got over, right? Game has already got over, right? Some message like this. And what is the second parameter? That is important. The second parameter is like what type of toast you want. Like last day we saw there were different type of toast, error toast, success toast, and different type of toast. The type of toast you suggest, what will happen? The color will change accordingly. Okay, so what type of toast you want? So what I'll do, I'll take a success toast. Okay, or depending on the color you can take a toast or situation. Okay, this was about the win message. Okay, now let's check the second condition. If so, what should be my second condition? Can someone tell me, guys? Exactly what I want to say. Ritam, I did not get you. Khatam, tata, bye bye. Hi, Kunal. Okay, Dinesh, let's do that later. Okay, let's complete that, then I'll try it at the end. Okay. For update signal from the, I'm getting error on the console. How to fix it? So waiting for update signal from WDS. Okay, let's work on that error a little later. Okay, Kunal, what got over? Game has been done. Keep on clicking. Maybe you will overload the game. Okay, great guys. So everyone is in a comedy mode, right? So let's complete it fast. Okay, since you guys are in a comedy mode, I'll complete it fast, and then we can do the comedy together, right? So what is the name of my array? Tick tag array. Okay, so now like let's suppose I'm clicking on some specific position. Okay, so let's suppose I have clicked on some specific position, and what position will be that? That will be the index position, right? So if it is a position, then I have to pass it here, right? Okay, so whatever this position on this specific position, okay, the position that which like see, how can I explain you easier? This is the way. Okay, let's suppose someone clicked on this position. Okay, so what will happen? This index is here, right? So I'll check if this position is empty or not. If this position is empty, then what I'll do, then I'll update the value. If this position is not empty, then I'll not update the value, right? Okay. So now what I have to check, if this position is equal empty. Okay. Then what can I do? Then let's enter here. Okay. So now, okay, no, wait. I don't want this suggestions. I want to write my own code, and of course their code is not correct here. How to remove it? Okay, wait. Yeah. Okay, so now what I'll do, the first thing. Okay, so now if this condition is true, then what should I call? Whatever is the value of like this, if the value of cross is true, then what should I do? Then cross is true, then I should call the cross icon from where? From here. Wait. From my component icon.js. Yesterday I created it, right? So I should cross the cross icon. If that is false, then I should call the circle icon, right? Depending on the thing, it will be displayed for the game, right? Either the cross icon or the circle icon, correct? Okay. So what I'll do here, okay, now since this condition is true, okay, so now I have to write that condition. So what I can do pick, okay, sorry, pick tag array. So now in this pick tag array, in index, okay, what do you want to store? Okay, so I'll just check if the value of is cross, okay, is true or false. If it is true, then what should I do? Okay, then I should not put X or O. You can directly write like this, but we have icons, right? So there is no need to directly write like this. So here I can call the X icon, and at the other place I can call the, like, what do you say, like the circle icon, right? So here just for now I'm writing here cross, and here I am writing circle. Circle. Hope this is okay. Okay, awesome. So now what's the next thing? Now what should we do next? In this there is something remaining. Sir, game over. Okay, got it. Game logic over. Okay, sir, yes, sir, exactly what you want. Okay, Kunal is going. Why Kunal? Okay, okay, guys. So there is some condition that is missing here. Oh my God, that condition already popped up. Okay, so now this is the condition. So what I want to do basically, like set is cross. So if the value of cross is true, I will change it to false. If it is false, then I'll change it to true. Depending on the condition, I'll change it automatically, right? If you don't understand a particular line, what you can do in the like comment, you can just write my line. Like, sir, I did not understand line number 57 or 58. Okay, whatever. Then we'll understand. Okay, sir, can you explain it again from change item? Change item, yeah. Okay, guys. So let's take it again, Shubham. Okay. So what is the first condition? The first condition I have taken. Okay. So let's suppose like someone has won the game. So if someone has won the game, in the win message, okay, we'll have something, right? X has won the game, O has won the game. We'll have something like that, correct? Okay. So if that's the case, so if someone has won the game, then I'm just returning a toast. Okay. So this toast, I have already installed it. You guys can see it. Remember, I installed 3 things. One was Toastify. So I'm using that. Here I'm printing a message. Game has already got over, and the type of toast that I want is success. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Yeah, I'll be come to line of 57 also. Okay, the next thing is like, yeah, I'm coming there, Nitish. Okay, and this is my next condition. If a person clicks on a specific index in the, like, what is a tic-tac-toe game, so what I'll check if that index is empty. Okay, so now if the cross value is true, then I should put a cross. If the cross value is false, then I should put a circle, right? Like you can see it here. Accordingly, we'll send this to my components. Where is my component? Icon.js. For cross, it will show the cross icon. For circle, it will show the circle icon, right? Okay. And then what I did, like, see, currently, let's suppose the person has clicked on something. So what will happen? Let's suppose the value of set is cross was true. So now what I'll do? I'll change the value of set is cross as false. We discussed about this last time, right? In case if you didn't get it, what I actually did it here. Okay, let's say it again. Now let's suppose someone has marked here cross. So what is the value of set is cross now? It's true. Okay. So now someone has marked here cross. Okay. So cross has came here. So now what I'll change it to false, right? Updated it to false. So what is next time? It will be O. Got it? Okay. In case you did not understand this symbol, what is this symbol? This symbol is called not. So what if I apply not to something? So true will change to false and false will change to true. Okay. 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 So what is any condition is remaining? I feel there is one more condition to go. Okay. So what is the next condition, guys? Okay, great Arjun, great Nitish. Okay. Copilot is helping a lot today. Yes, Mr. Nomadi, definitely. Okay. So if I did not have a class today, I would be exploring Copilot. Okay. So what is the next condition, guys? There should be a condition here else. Let me know it. I'm waiting for you guys. A small, simple condition. Anyone? If it is already filled, very good, Jay. Okay. It's look like Jay has already done this game as a homework, like I gave it last time, right? He has completed the game. Okay. His all answers are totally correct. Awesome, Jay. If there was some feature to give on YouTube or star, I would have given you. Okay, so let's write it. So how else will do, right? Okay, what else? In the else, what I should do? Like, see, either it. So here are two possibilities. Either it can be empty or it cannot be empty. If it is empty, I have already done it. In the else part, I am doing it if the tic-tac-toe array index is not empty. So if it is not empty, it's simple, right? We'll just return a toast. And what should my toast do? Okay, toast. This place. Okay, or this some good message like this is already occupied, something like this. This is already occupied, right? And then you have to again give a type of the toast. So what toast can we give? So last time we selected a toast success. So let's take a different toast. You can take the same toast also. So type is to let's put error. Just trying different colors. Okay, so now we have written this. So this is our change item. So hope change item is clear to all of you. Okay, find winner. We have already done find winner, right? Check if the game is draw. Oh, okay. Sankara, you told check if the game is draw. That I thought I'll put it for assignment for you guys. Anyway, since you have told, so this will be your assignment for today. Check if game is a draw. Okay. That I like what they say. I did not want to do. So let's keep it for your assignment. Place already filled. Okay. Yeah, this. Okay. Not equal. So there was no need to write not equal to Ranjana. By default, if this condition is not true, it will come to else here, right? Or I can use not equal to here using a else if. Okay. Okay, so that completes my all the code logic, like means the logic part of the game. So now I should design my game, right? That's the main part of it. So now this is the part where we'll be using Bootstrap. This is the part where we will be using. So till now, whatever we are writing, that was mostly like a JavaScript code, right? So now we'll come to pure React, right? Now we'll be writing pure React. Okay, so this is my return, correct? So let's take the return. Okay. So from now, let's understand properly. Okay, let's remove it. I don't want something. Okay, so we'll write in this return folder. So let's first make a design for tic-tac-toe go. Okay, so let's concentrate on that. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take a container. Okay, wait. Where did I imported? Like, see, this is a place where I have imported React Strap. Okay, so React Strap, I told you React Strap is a thing through which I can use Bootstrap, right? Okay, open your eyes, tapping, something like this. Okay, that is a great message. Let me use that message. Wait. Where are you tapping? I will just copy your message, Mr. Nobody. That's an interesting message. Okay, so let's change it here. Okay, let's put that message. Open your guys. Where are you tapping? Okay, great. Let's go with this message, right? And and we'll see how this message pops up. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly see our React strap. Okay, and what are the things in the from the Bootstrap we guys will use and import. Okay, so whatever things I will use in Bootstrap, I have to write it here, right? Like I have to first import it. So where is the import? So one thing is already button. Of course, I'll need button. Apart from button, what I'll need? I'll need component. Not like what do you say? Not component. What do I call it? Component is in React, no? It's container. Sorry. So I misspelled it as component, right? And what is the next thing? I will need a card. I'll show you the use in case you don't know. Card body. Oh, sorry, card body. And I'll also need a row. And I'll also need a column. Okay, that's all. So button has been taken. Container, card body, row, and column. Hope this is clear to all of you guys. Yeah, it's between a computer and wait a second. No, this is between two person, right? Okay. A computer and a person game will be like randomly computer will be marking somewhere, right? We can create a table, right? Yeah, I'm creating that. So I'll be using grid layout in CSS. Okay. Welcome nobody for such a message. Can we use star? What do you mean that? What mean by that, Kunal? Okay. Okay. So let's come here. Let's start using the bootstrap. Okay. So I hope you guys are a little bit familiar with the bootstrap. In case if you are not very familiar with the bootstrap, whatever thing that I'll use here, just go ahead and read it once. Bootstrap is so simple that even if you read it once, you guys will totally get it, provided you had a basic idea of CSS. That's all. Okay. So first I'll take a container. Where is the container? Sorry, capital C. Okay. So basically, what is this? Why I'm not directly using Bootstrap? Instead, I'm using through React Strap because it is converting everything to the component. Now here, container is a component. Okay, so I'm using it as a component. So that makes our thing much simpler, right? Container. Hope the spelling is correct. Yeah, the thing is correct. Okay, for the container, I'll use a class name. Okay, let's use the class name. What class I can use? P5. Okay. So what is the role of P5? Can someone quickly tell me in the comments? What does P5 means? Okay. Yeah, import star from React Strap. Okay, okay. Okay. No, basically, because it's always better to write the things like whatever you want to import it. So generally, we write like that. So errors would be in. Nikhil, I did not get you. Oh, double. Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah, I got it. Thank you, Nikhil. Thanks a lot. 5 point. Great, Jay. Okay, Jahid. Okay. So this means that I am putting a padding of 5, right? Great. So you can see how Bootstrap is simple. They have named it so well. So once you know it, P5 means padding of 5. So now you'll never forget it. Okay, great. So let's proceed ahead. So inside the container, what will I do? Okay. So basically, I have to switch the screen again and again. For your comments, I have to go on your screen. Then I have to come here again. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll take a row. Okay. Inside the row. Okay. So now inside the row. So let me write a while. Then again, I'll answer your questions again. Okay. So let me first complete the little things, row and column, few steps. Okay. Row. Now inside the row, what will I do? Now there will be a column, right? So column. Okay. Okay. Wait. Like what did I imported here? I imported here something like column, right? So, but React column is more like COL. We don't write a full column, right? I think no one pointed out that mistake. Did anyone point it out in the chat? No, I'm saved. Okay, great. So now let's correct it. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Let's have a look here. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so now we'll be using some classes with the column. Can anyone guys suggest what classes should I use? Anyone? So bootstrap classes, I'm totally okay. Okay, okay, okay. Pixels and REM memory. I'll come to that. Okay, we'll have a little discussion on CSS in a while, like when I'll be writing the CSS for it. Then let's discuss that time, Mr. Nouri. I'll remember this question. I'll answer it. Jay, that's not a big. There is a something other difference that's more important to that. Okay. So I want to use some classes with a column. Can anyone guys suggest me which class should I use here for this game? Any idea, guys? Just waiting for your answers. Border, column empty. Okay, great. And something else? Or that is enough? MD4. Okay. Okay, so now let's see, guys. There's a different way to use React in a Bootstrap because I am using it now. These all things are not directly Bootstrap; they are components. Okay, though they have those features. Okay, so to use the things here, there is a different way. So let's see. Like, of course, you will like I have to write MD6 or MD4. I used to write in Bootstrap, but here, if you have to use like this. Okay, that's a small difference. So hope this is clear to all of you. How did I write MD6? Clear? Okay, then what I'll do, I'll put a class name. And what should I use for the class name? Basically, I want to bring it to the center, right? So what I'll do, I'll use offset. And okay, sorry, spelling is wrong. Offset. And in the offset, what shall I do? Just to bring it in center, I can just do it. MD3. So let me know if this is clear to all of you guys. What did I did here? Column 4 change to true. Change to true. What should I change it to true? I did not get you. Priya. Okay. It's a great success. Hello from Egypt. I wish you a great success. Thanks, Kamesh. Column MD, column 4. Great, great. Yeah, yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So what is MD? So like, see. So in Bootstrap, we have a lot of stuff. So if I start teaching Bootstrap, that will be much difficult. Okay. So for now, what you guys can understand, this stands for like something like, okay, Mr. Nobody, margin down. Okay. So there are people who are already answering the things on the chat. Okay. Okay. So guys, let's have a look. Okay. See. So what Bootstrap does, just one thing that you need to remember, what Bootstrap does, Bootstrap divides your page into 12 parts. Okay. So now what I am trying to do, I am trying to use certain portion of that page. Okay. So what I am trying it here, I am trying to take like, see. Okay, let me give you a little idea about a Bootstrap. Okay. So what will Bootstrap by default do? It will divide your page. Okay. What happened? Let me select. Okay. Let's suppose this is your page. So it will divide your page into 12 parts like this. Let's suppose this is a whole page. Okay. What happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Right? So 12 pages. Okay, so I want to take certain portion of it. This is a common way in which a bootstrap structure is being divided. Okay, awesome. So there are a lot of things here. How you want it on a small scale, you want it on a medium scale, you want it on a large scale. So they have a lot of options. Okay, so here I want it on a medium scale. That is why I took medium, and there are more reasons to it. Okay, for now you can see I want like 6 column, and MD will stand for your medium. Okay. Okay, what should be MX6, Nitish? I did not get you. No, I have taken it MD6. Okay, so I will just say play with Bootstrap a little. Okay, then these things will be much clearer to you. So what I'll do, I'll try to use a less of Bootstrap and more of plain CSS, so you guys will be much clear. Okay. Okay. So now let's take here. Okay. If I go in Bootstrap, this course will no longer be of React, right? Okay. Okay. So let's continue, guys. Okay, so now we have a column. So now in the column, what can we do? What are the stuffs we need in a column? So now we'll see. Okay, see, if a person has inside a column, so if a person has won the game, okay, so of course if a person has won the game, so what we should do in this column, if a person has won the game, I should display this win message there, right? So I will just write that condition here. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do, like, see, now I have to, like, this is a React part. In this, if I have to write a JavaScript code, how can I write it? I have to put a bracket here. Inside this bracket, I can write JavaScript code. Okay, so remember, here I'll be writing some code to display the winner message. Okay, let's keep it for later, how to display it. Now let's go to the next part. Okay. Now what else should I do in the column? Anupam, because like see, now this is not your normal like see these things that I'm using container, row or column. Okay, they are not your normal bootstrap. Now they are like what do you say? They are more like React component. So I'm using it as a React component. So what I'll say, just go through like since I'm using what React strap, just go through React strap documentation once. Okay, you guys will be much clear with that. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, Jay, great, Rohit. Okay, so I'll write that condition here. Okay, awesome. Survivor, I think. Okay, so hope the things are clear. So now let's do let's do other stuffs here till that time. Okay, inside the column, what I'll do now? I want to make the like that particular design. I want to make my tic-tac-toe design. Okay, okay. So like whenever I say tic-tac-toe, like TikTok came in my mind, so I take a pause for a second before saying it. Always. Okay. So now let's work on that design. So let's write a div. Okay. Hmm. What happened to my div? So now here in the div. Okay. So now what my focus is? My focus is I have to make row and columns where I can write star no. So now since I have to make row and column, so to whenever I have to make something like a row and column, so what kind of layout should I use? Should I use a grid layout or should I use a flex layout? So I'll avoid using what they say bootstrap here. I use plain CSS, so you all of you will be much clear. So here I want to use something called a grid type of layout. So what I'll do, I'll take a class name, I'll put it grid, okay, and we'll define this grid here in the like style.css, okay. So hope you guys are very clear. We'll be using a grid type, right? Yeah, Dipyan, that's really great, right? Today I did not make any spelling mistake. That's right. Yeah. Okay, Kunal is giving a party, guys. Kunal, send us a location. Okay, I will definitely attend the party. Grade will be better. It's not will be better. We don't have an option, like, right? We cannot use flex. Okay, so let's see how let's see the what do you mean? So let's write a CSS property of the grid. So I hope you guys are comfortable with flex and grid. Okay. Okay, so because we'll be using it for now. So if you are not comfortable, then I'll try to explain it a bit, but we'll keep it short. Okay. Where is my style? Okay, so let's put a dot grid here. So now in the grid, what all things that is needed? Can someone tell me? What is basically a grid? Colors, 1FR, 1FR. Very good, right? Okay. There are people who are already suggesting the things. Great. Great. Okay, awesome. Okay, so in case you guys don't know, there are few types of display. So currently I'll be using a display which type is grid. Okay. Okay, so now what is the next thing? Okay, so because I need things like column and row. Okay, now what is the next thing? What is the use of this? Because someone has already written it. So let me know if you guys can answer this. Because this is CSS. I hope you guys must have studied it, right? Because most of you are engineers here, and at least in last year of BTech, maybe third year, right? So are you guys clear with these kind of stuff? Great. And what do you say? Mm, Flex. Let me put a grid gap, and what gap should we take with? Let's go with 15 pixels for now. Later we'll go with better. If we see if we need more gap, we can go with it. Okay. Display grid. Okay. Display flag give front end dimag mein nahi. Okay. Any suggestions, guys? Am I okay? I'm still in my first year. Oh, Deepyan. Oh, so sorry for you. Okay. Okay, great. Templates column, repeat 1 to FR. Okay, it distribute the screen into 3 spaces. Great. There are people who are already answering it. Okay, I'm an intermediate student. Great, guys. Okay, so we are not going in much depth of CSS. So let's take a CSS class a little later. So what I'll do, I'll quickly complete the CSS because these are the CSS that are needed. Okay, and we'll focus more on the React concept. Okay? These CSS you can just practice a little later, or like you can take one of the courses from pick one of the courses from LetsUpgrade and check out the CSS things. Okay, so it will be much nicer, right? In that way, because if I keep explaining you, I cannot explain you in a short while. These things will create more confusions. Okay, generally if I explain grade and flex, it like I generally take to about 2 hours to explain the difference between grade and flex. Then I make one small project on flex and one small project on grade, so you guys will be clear with that. Okay, okay, so now let's take the second case. Okay, so I'm writing the CSS. Okay, if you did not understand anything, you can ask me some particular line. Okay, okay, but we'll focus more on the React here. So let's take a height something like 100 pixels. Okay, and then what can we do? I can put a display as. Okay, now let's take the display as flex. And then what can I do? I can just put something like justify content into center. And then what can I do? I can put something like align items in center. If this is the first time you guys are seeing this, then you guys have to work a lot in, of course, CSS. Okay. And I've already defined few things here. I think most of the things if we need more CSS, we'll write it. For now, it's okay. So let me come to my app.js. Let me be here. Okay. And what you guys are grade 1 of our graduate are here, but because they don't know React.js need to. Okay. Is there will be an inverted comma underscore error? I did not got you, Ajay Gupta. Can you elaborate? Okay. 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 So grid and like what do you say? Like flex are quite important CSS topic. Okay. I hope so. You guys should have studied that. I'll assume a little. Okay. So now let's try to complete a design a little faster. Okay. So what shall we do now? Any suggestions? Anyone? Yes, no? Okay. So in case if you don't have a suggestion, let's write it. Okay, so now we have our tic-tac-toe array, right? Tick, tock, where is the array? What is the array name? Array name is tic-tac array. Sorry. So tic-tac array, I got it. So in the tic-tac array, I want to go from the first index to the last index. So how can I go? Basically a kind of a looping thing, right? So here in the like, hope you guys know about a thing called map in JavaScript. Are you guys familiar with the concept of map? Yes, no? Someone? Because I think using a map here will be a much advantage. In case if you don't know map, I'll tell you. Okay. So let's put a dot map. Okay. So now what will this map do? Okay. Okay. Tic-tac-toe array. Yes, Srikanth. So are you guys clear with the concept of map in JavaScript? Yes, no, no idea, something? In case if you don't know, but I'll quickly explain you one stuff. 1 second. So what will I do? I will open a new window. Okay. And then here, what will I do? I will just write one compiler to explain you map. Okay. Okay. So let's go to JavaScript. I know you guys will ask for zoom. I'll be zooming it. Wait a second. Okay, command plus 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 plus. Okay, it's too much zoom. Okay, hope this zoom is clear and you guys can see it. Okay, so now let's suppose I have an array. Age equals to, and inside a there are values like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, let's take these many values. So now what I'm trying to do, guys, I'm trying to use a concept of map here. So how to use map? Let's see. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use a dot map. Okay, now let's see. Now inside the map, what will I do? See, by default, a map has two parameters. So one will be value and one will be index. So by the name, it's only clear. This value will point to all these values. And this index will be like the index of each 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? So that will be the case. So now how can I use it? That for that, you guys need to have a little. So what I'll do, okay? So now, but this is basically a callback. I hope that is clear to all of you guys, right? So now if I print something, console.log, okay. And here if I print value, comma index, and let's run it. So you guys can see the answer that I am able to access the value and also the index. So is this clear to all of you guys? I'll be using a box class later, so I created it. Okay, since I already know it, I'll be using, so I created it first. Okay. Map is confusing. Please explain. So is this concept of map clear? Just if you are a JavaScript guy, okay. So just I'll see. Like let's suppose if I mark here a value into 2, okay. So now let's print the values, okay. So 20, 40, 60, everything got multiplied by 2. But after this line, if I print console.log a, okay, if you print this, the value of a, you will see the value of array a is not changed. Okay, just for the sake of calculation here, the things are changed. Okay, clear? Okay, awesome. Yeah, you guys, ES6 features. Of course, ES6 features is very important for React. Okay. Okay, I did not use the word, but we have like this is enumerate in Python. Okay, great, Smita. Okay, okay. So now let's move to the next step. So now if I use here map, you guys will be comfortable, right? So in the map, what I want, I will put two value, right? So one will be value, and second will be index. So now we have the value and index. So now what I should do something with the value. Like this value will be the value that is my contained in my tic-tac-toe array, right? Based on this, what I should make? Okay, okay. So let's put this and let's keep it here. So I'm making it in a different line, okay, so that I can write few steps. Hope this is clear to all of you. So now see, I have imported a card here in what they say here. Here is the card and card body. So let's use them. Okay. Okay, so card. Okay. So now here I have used card. So now what I can do, so card will be something like in which there X and O will be marked. Okay. So like there will be nine cards total, right? And every card will have a card body. So card body is basically the things that you write inside the card that comes in as a part of a card body. Okay. So what I'll do, let's go here. So let's write card body. Okay. So now in the card body is the place where where I should place the things, my X or my O, these kind of stuff. So what I'll do, I'll quickly, let's make it in a different line. So writing stuffs will be easy. And in the card body, I'll put my class name as not icon. This was a suggestion, so I took it. So I'll put the class name as, okay, this was self-close. So let's remove it. Okay. So let's take the class name. What was the class name that I created? I forgot. Box, right? Okay, so let's put box here. I'm answering you guys. Let's me make this. Then you can put the line number, then I'll explain you about if you guys have anything. Okay. So I just don't want to break this flow. And then you guys will have a difficult understanding it. Okay. So now I have made a card. Inside the card, it will be a card body. Now inside at this place, I will show the icon. Okay, so icon. Okay, so I'll just self close it. There's no need of this, right? So where does this icon came from? This icon I have already imported it, right? Import icon from the components icon. Icon I have made it here, right? This icon. So let's write it. Okay. So what will the default icon? Basically, we have also placed a default icon, right? So that I can place it there. So in the icon, if you see icon.js, we have something called choice, right? So let's go to app.js, and here I can put choice is equals to, okay. So in the choice, what can you put? You can put some values. Okay. So what values should I put here? That's the point of concern. What should I put here? So here I should put, what do you say? Whatever value my tic-tac-toe array is containing. You guys can see here what we have done. Here we are putting cross or circle, right? In tic-tac-toe array index. So if the index is cross, it will be replaced by a cross icon. If the index is circle, it is replaced by a circle icon. Okay. So accordingly, we can pass here. So what I want to pass? Okay, let's remove this. So now I'm writing a JavaScript code here, right? So if you're writing a JavaScript code, you should put it inside the quotes. So tick, what is the name? Tick tag array. This is the name, right? So add that index. Okay, so it's in the different line, but you got it. So hope this is clear to all of you guys, right? There's some error here. I have missed something. So let's have a look. Okay, this is a bracket. Okay, and this bracket is, have I missed one bracket? So this is a map bracket. Okay, so I think we need to close one more bracket. Oh, so it's a thing are fine, right? Okay, so now the time for your doubts, guys. Okay. Okay, so now I see some answers. One close, yeah. Thank you, Navi. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Clear. Any confusion, guys? What I did here? Anyone? Kunal, you wrote O0. Okay. I did not get that message. Like it, the message was like, what they say, too intense for me to understand. 0 O. Maybe you are giving me some signal that I did not get it. Okay. So this is clear, right? So okay, let's do one thing. Let's run our application quickly. Okay. Change index in change item function. Pass index in change item function. Okay, yeah, very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Who was Jay? Again, Jay. Thank Jay. Thank Jay a lot. Even Srikant. Great Srikant. Okay. So I missed to like, see, I'm using an index here, right? So where is this index coming from? I should have an index here, right? Oh, sorry. Why did I think I placed an index here by mistake? I think I was writing there. I wrote it here. Sorry. Some typo. Okay. There's no need of index here, right? I'm not using index at any place, right? By mistake, I wrote it there. Okay. So this is the one. Okay. Show the output. Okay. So what I'm doing? Yeah, I'm running it. Let's have a look. Terminal. New terminal. Okay. So now, okay, we already have one terminal. So let me delete the other. Okay. So npm, just for yarn guys, if you guys are using, we have been using npm, right? So now let's yarn for just yarn guys. Those who are using yarn start. Those who have npm, you can use npm. Okay, my battery is about to die. So let it run and let me bring my charger. It's placed here. Okay. So now. Okay. Okay, so let's come here to some screen. Let's close this and let's put it here. I think we have zoomed it a lot. So I'll reduce the zoom a little. No, command plus. Okay, wait. Let it open first. Okay, so I think the zoom is very much high. Reset. So now I'll zoom it. Command plus. Okay, yeah. So you guys can see it. So our tic-tac-toe design is ready. Okay. And we have this pencil icon. Why? Because in the icon.js, we have a default icon as pencil. So currently my array is empty, right? Currently I have not played the game, so my array would be empty. So since the array is empty, so if you guys just want to check it, so what you can do, let's place everything by X. Okay. Sorry, let's put everything here across. Okay. Every part of in the every array. So now let's check it. So you can see cross is there. If I put a circle here, all icons will be replaced by circle. Let's wait. Okay, great. Is it clear to all of you guys? Did you like the design of your tic-tac-toe game? And what are these? Like these are the cards that I've used, bootstrap cards. And in the card body, these are the icons. Any doubts? Anything? Okay. Ati, if you say something, I did not get it, Jay. Okay. Oh, Ati Sundar. Yeah, I got it now, Jay. Yeah, yeah. Great, awesome. Awesome. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Okay, so now let's put it down. Let's put it down. Okay. Yeah, awesome. Change the background color. So if someone want to suggest me change the background color, you have to give me a good color at the same time, right? With the color code. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now let's continue. Little bit dark. So give me a color code, Rahul. Okay, whichever color code you think. Okay. It looks like a dial pad. Yeah, your suggestion is not bad. Yeah, definitely. Since you told, now I think like that. Yeah. Uh, Antique. So can you give me the Ashita color code for that? Antique white. Let me have a look. White color will not look good. I don't know what. How does antique white looks like? Okay. If I see. Okay. Let me see. Color code. Let me have a look. And this is the color code of. I hope so. Okay. Make it gray color. Gray color. Oh, gray color. I can directly make it. I don't have to. So let's go to my. What do you say? Where is my CSS? So currently we guys have left the React and just start working on the color. Okay, so this is more like what Asita recommended. What happened to my background color? Oh, there is no color. Like, did I copy a wrong color? No, I'm getting some error in this color. No problem. Oh, sorry, the column was missing. Let's save it. Okay, let's come here. Let's reload it. This is one of the color. Let me know, guys, if this color is okay. Okay, Dipang, the black color. There are a lot of color suggestions now. Okay. 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 So it'll be white, then it will be proper tic-tac-toe board. Okay, background should be white. If it is white, the color, then I have to change the color of these boards, right? Otherwise, white will match. Okay. Let me try few colors that you guys are recommending. Wait. I'll just try one more color after that. Okay. So, sir, use it now. Wait, Jahid. Wait 1 second. So now, let's see how this color. What do you guys say about this color? Is this okay? Okay. Black is back. Mr. Colin. So I think, okay, most of you like that color, the previous color, right? Okay, someone has written a great with a linear gradient, right? Okay, let me copy that. Wait, guys, let me copy that. Okay, Rahul. Great, Rahul. So now let me replace it. Let me see the color. Save it. He has used a linear gradient. Okay, this is perfect. What do you guys say? Let's go with this color, Rahul. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's Kunal. That's the best suggestion. Okay. Either we can go with this color or the first color that I did. Okay. So now you guys think, or let's leave it this color. Okay. Okay. Hardly matters. You guys use like whenever you make your TikTok, use your own color. Okay. Else it will take the whole class, right? Okay. So we are in the app.js. So our basic design is ready. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to link our logics with the design. Like design is there. We need to link this design with the logic that we have written, right? That is the thing that we have to do now, right? Okay. 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 Can we flip the board? Flip the card for a better vibe. Is a click it, rotate. Yeah, you guys can do that. Okay. Thank you for that. I have a now, Krishna. I have a new question for your assignment. I'll put that for your assignment. Okay. Thanks, Krishna. Okay. Guys, you'll get the code. Everything will be mailed to you, so don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, let's stop discussing about the background now. Now let's discuss about how to link our logic with the code. Okay. Okay, at this place, what I want to do, I want to display the winner message. Okay, so let's work on that. This is the number one priority. Okay. So if there is the first thing, if there is a winner message, okay. So if winner message is there, then we should display the winner message, right? Why am I getting an error here? Expression expected, and I am giving it a like what do you say? Okay, if winner message. So what I can do it here. Okay, instead of it, let's do one thing. Just give me 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. Give me just 1 second. Yeah, sorry. There was some call. I don't want to attend it. Okay. Okay, so now we need to check about the winner message. Like if the winner, like what all things I need to do. Let me first give you a clear idea. Like see, the first thing that I need to do, if there is a win message, or what is the name we have written it? Win message, yeah. So if there is a win message, then of course I should display my win message. Okay. And if the game has got over, then I should also give the user a reload option. Remember, we have done a game for like reset. So we should give him a button through which the person can reset the game, right? This is one thing. Okay. Now, so let's work on this thing. And then if there is no winner message, then what will we do? Like if the person has done one, then we'll just change the turn. If the turn was of X, we'll make the turn of Y, right? Okay, and we'll display it, right? Okay, so let's see how to do it. Okay. Okay. So there is no new comments. Okay, so let's do it perfectly. First, let's do it, then let's understand it. Okay, so let me do it here. Okay, so now let's see. So what I'll do, I will write a win message. Okay, see in the win message, what I can do, I can write a very simple stuff here. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so win message. So if there is a win message, if the condition, like see, this will have two conditions, right? Like this will be something like this. It's a true block and this is the false block. So currently I'm concerned about the true block. Okay. So in the true block, what to do? That I'm writing it. Okay. So if there's a win message, I should display it. That's the first priority. So I'll display it as H1. Okay. So it will look little bolder and all that. Okay. Since I want to display it like what is a little bold, so what should be my like? I should display directly the win message. That can be one possibility, or I can display it with some what do you say? I can add some messages and I can add some classes and all that. So first I'll add some classes. That will make much sense, right? So what I'll do, I'll put a class name, and in the class name, what color you want to put, that you guys can decide. And so for now, I'll just go with one thing: text center. Okay. So what is this text center? This text center is a bootstrap class, right? Which makes the text in the center, right? Rest all decoration, I leave up to you guys. Okay. What all decoration you want to do. So here I'll put my message, right? Win message. Win message, right? Okay. So here my win message will be displayed. So hope this is clear to all of you guys. Okay. Okay, so once my win message has been displayed, I should also give the user now option for reload game because the game has got over right after the win. So I will quickly create a button. Okay. So what is which button is this? This is just like what is it? What happened? Okay. Now which button is this? This button is more like us. Okay. So now here what I'm trying to do, there are multiple things. So of course you guys know I cannot write a multiple things. So since I'm writing a multiple thing, so what should I do? I should enclose this inside a div, right? So what will I do? I'll put a div here. Okay, let's put the div, control X, and let's put the div at the bottom. Now it's proper. Okay, so now this button comes from a bootstrap, right? Here you can see. Where is the button? Where is the button? Where is the button? This button. Okay, I'm using this button. Bootstrap button. So this is again a component, right? So what I'll do, I'll put something like color. Okay, let's leave the color. Let's see what color it looks good. Then we'll put the color. Okay. So for now, I'll put something like on click. So what will be the use of on click? Okay, for on click, I think this is okay. Okay, for on click, okay. This is okay. This is okay. Okay. So now here I'm waiting for your comments, guide. What should I do with on click? Play again and quit button. Okay, Jahid. Jupyter notebook is for Python. Okay, here are some comments. Okay. Okay. So what should I put here in the on click? That is my click. Like I should when I click on this button, what should happen? What will we do tomorrow? That's a good question. We'll start with the context API. Rahul. Array reset, reload. Very good, Rohit. We should reload. So basically, we already have that logic written, right? Where is the logic? This. So I should just call this logic. Like this logic should be implemented. Play again logic. Correct? Very good. Very good, Nabi. Okay. So I should just use this logic. Okay. So where is that logic? Where did it go? Here. So what is the name of this? The name of this is something like play again. So I'll put play again here. Play again. So now what will happen? So now you guys will be confused. This play again is a function, right? This is a function. Should I write like this, or should I call it like this? Which way should I call it? Like this or like this? Is that the confusion? Let me know. Okay. So I am calling it without the parenthesis. Line number 76. If that is confusion to anyone, I'll explain. Okay. Again. Yeah, the array should be empty. That we have already done it, right? Now we in this play again, right? Correct? We have already done it, right? Okay, awesome. So now let's proceed ahead. Okay, so this part of the thing is done. Yeah, and then what will we do now? Okay, yeah, Jay, sir, please explain. Yeah, I'm coming to that. Okay. I'll use the same concept once more. Let me use that, then I'll explain both the things together. Okay, that will then that will make much more sense. Okay. Okay. So now here in this part, where is this part went? Okay. So this was a true part. In the false part, what should I do? Anyone? What should I do in the false part? Just waiting for your comments, guys. Yes, sir. Please explain. Yeah, I'll explain it definitely, sir. Just waiting for your false part. What should I do in the false part? Any ideas? Yes, no, what? So basically, in the false part, what I can do, I can display the turn, like whose turn it is. It is X turn or it is the O turn. How will I get to know that information? That I can get to know by is cross. If the value of is cross is true, that means the cross turn is there. The value of is cross is false. That means O turn is there. That means the circle turn is there, right? That I can put it here. Okay, so how to put it? It's very simple. So what I'll do, I'll just put a very simple. I'll again take H1, so things will be displayed in a very nice way. Okay, and now you can put the colors that you want. Okay, so let's put it like this. Okay, and let's change the line. I write, means I enjoy writing a different line. So of course it's not necessary to change the line, but okay. So what I'll just check is cross. Okay, if the value of is cross, what will happen? Is cross or circle, right? That is what we have to check. So if its cross is true, then what will happen? Then I'll just write cross, uh, cross like this. Cross, wait, cross turn, right? Something like this. Is this okay, right? And if this is false, then what I can do? Wait. Then I can write a simple message as circle turn. CIR, circle turn. Circles turn, right? Just to be very good with English. Circles turn. Okay. I hope this is okay. And let's make this capital letters. It will look better. So is this part clear? Yeah. Just play with chances there, yeah, device. That's what totally correct. Very good. So most of you guys are remove quotes. From where device should I remove the quotes? Okay. Okay, guys. So this is okay. Okay. So now let's proceed ahead. On click equal to play again. Yeah, I'll explain you that. Why did I use it? Okay. Nikhil, on click play again. Like there is the same thing that I'm using. So I can compare and then you guys will easily understand that. Okay. So there is just a small logic that is left. Okay, so now this we have done. If the person has won the game, then we'll display the win message and we'll show the button. Okay, in case the person has not won, then we'll show the turn. Whose turn is the X turn or is the O turn, or I mean to say cross turn or the circle turns. This is clear. Okay, now the next thing comes here. Okay, that's important. Now we'll click on the card. Why? Because all these are card because is cross is not defined. I'm getting an error. It's because this C is capital letters. Save it. Okay. So now let's reload it. Okay. So now it's a cross turn. Of course, you can color it and make it better. So, and what I'll do, I will just make the array empty again. I don't want anything inside the array. Okay. Save it. Okay. So now you guys will see there's nothing in this empty. This is initial. So what will happen now? So now what I have to do here. So when I click on this, okay. So what's it happen? This will change to cross or O, right? This would change. So this is a card, right? So I should implement the on click on the card. Where is my card? Where is my card? This is my card. So I should do a on click property on the card, right? Okay. So see, this card is again like you'll say it's a button. Card is not a button. Can I write a on click? Of course, you can write a on click here also. So what I'll do, I'll write a on click. In the on click, what you guys can do? Now here you guys will see. So now this I want to compare and show it so you guys will be clear. I'm sorry. Let's put a quotes and then inside this what I'll do. I'll not directly write like this. Here what I have to do. Here what logic I have to link. I have to link this logic, right? Change item. So change item has something need to be passed there. Okay. So what will I do? I will put it here. Change item. Okay. Sorry. Command Z. Okay. Change item. Change item. Okay. And now this and I'll have to pass the index. Wait a second. Basically, if there is some error, I think I put this bracket here. Okay. So at this change item, I have to pass the index. What is this? This is index. This is what I have to pass it, right? So I can write here index. Okay. But now the problem is, can I pass it like this? Yes or no? So actually, no, I cannot pass it like this. I have to pass it using a callback. Okay, so I'll pass it like this. Why? We'll understand these things now. Okay, so first there are just one step that is left to explain. So that I want to first use it, then explain it. So you guys will be clear with that. Rest everything is much better, right? So let's have a look to the game. Let's see. Let's right click on it. Okay. If I click, the things is changing or not. Let's go to the console. Okay. Let's see if there is some error. There's one red error. Each child in the list should have a unique key prop. Okay. Invalid on click. Okay, that is the second error. So there are two errors. Let's work on this error. One you guys can understand is directly on click. Invalid event. And I wrote somewhere small c. It should be capital C, right? So this is the place where I have written small c. It should be capital C. That's great. Save it. Now the second thing is here also I've written small c. Let's put it capital C. On click, let's save it. So now let's come here. Let's reload this. By default, it will be reloaded. So now if I click on the things, you guys can see. Okay. So let me win this game. Okay. It's the next chance is circle turns, right? So let's put a circle. Okay. And what happens? The win logic did not work for some reason. The game got over, but the win logic did not work, right? You guys can see it. So let's come here. Let's come to console. Let's see the error. So there is one error, actually two error here. No, one error. One, each child in a list should have a unique key prop. So this is very much related with your array kind of thing. So let's work on that error. So first, okay, watch YouTube videos. Okay, help me out, sir. Yeah, Radhika, tell me. React is showing me error. Network request is registered. NPM does and proxy. Sir, I've tried. Okay. Okay, I'll see to it. Okay, so in 76 we need to write play again. Okay, so let's have a look. There are some the code is working, but just the problem is my like what they say like what happened, play again is not working. So how will I make my play again working? Because you guys sorry, find winner is not working. So you guys must have noted one thing. Okay, it's a paste error. You know, see, the thing is I am not using play error again. Player is a function. I'm not using the player. I have not called play error at any place. So where I should call play error? At which place? Can you guys recommend? Because you guys can see sorry, play error. Sorry, I mean to say, what was I saying? Find winner. I have created a function find winner, but I have not used it anywhere, right? So where should I use it? If I use it, then only the things can happen, right? So where? Okay, there are some other play again function is inside quotes. Okay, so that's totally okay. Let me see what do you mean. Okay, so this is like on click, no? Okay. Okay, you mean to say there will be no quotes, right? And I also think so, there will be no quotes. Okay, so that is one error, and that I totally accept it. Okay, so let me remove it. Why did the quotes came automatically? Save it. Okay, but that will not solve our problem. Let's reload it. Let it reload. Is my internet really slow? No, I don't think so. So why is code scramble when it executed in localhost, but it showed correct exact result in the browser? No. I just put I missed a semicolon here. Like what is it? The last part of this codes here. So that's the reason. Okay. Okay. Your code scrambled when it is excellent is local, but it is showing. Okay, I'll show you that. Okay. So now, my question no one has answered it. Why is this not working? Why is my find winner logic not working? Okay, someone has answered Devesh. That's very good. We should put it inside change item because, like, see, whenever a person clicks on click on something, every time change item will execute. So every time we have to check find winner, right? Very good, awesome. So at the end we'll put find winner. That's very good, Devesh. Awesome. Okay, so now let's have a look. Star O. I'll put in a cross here. O here, cross here. So cross has won, right? Of course, there are some, and this is not popping up. This button, and why is this button not popping up? This button should be basically like the reload button, right? It reloaded, but it did not pop up. Like there was no text written in it. So let's work on that. Why there is no text written in it? Okay, okay. Circle has won. We are getting the message, right? Of course, we can change the color and this button. So let's investigate about this button first. So where is that button defined? This is the button. Okay, I forgot to write any text here. So sad, guys. So what can be the text here? Let it like replay again. Save it. Yeah. Awesome, Devesh. That's great. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So now if you see, that's perfectly working. So play again. So of course I want to put it in the center. So what I'll do? So of course you can put some CSS and make it in center. I'll leave the CSS part to you guys. Okay. Okay. And there is one thing that I need to explain. Let me explain that first. Okay. Why did I use this play again without a quotes, and why did I use this in such a weird way? Okay. So let's understand this. It's very important. Okay. So see, if I use a function, okay, let's close all the functions so I'll get enough space. Okay. So now here, everyone here very quickly. Okay. We can go with the model that the gamer has won. Okay. Okay. So see, where is the, yeah. So now if I use a bracket like this, so what will happen? So basically play again should only be called when I click on something, correct? This should be the logic. When I click on this button, then play again function should be called. But when you put it with the bracket, so what will happen? Okay, so this play again will not wait for your on click. It will automatically be called, right? Like this. Like what is play again basically doing? Okay, so now if I see, okay, the things have been working. So you guys can see this play again. Okay, so my game is behaving a little weird, right? Okay, so what is this play again doing? Like if I just do one thing, okay, I will do one thing for you. I'll just print one thing so you guys will be very clear. Console.log hello. Let's observe when this hello will be printed in your log. Okay, from that point you will be much clear. Okay, so let's do one thing. First, remove this. Okay, okay, let's remove this. Okay, now let's reload this. Okay, let's right click. Let's open inspect. Let's open the console. Okay, console. Let's clear everything here. Okay, so currently we don't have anything. Okay, so now let's play the game. So now you have won the game. Okay, so now what should happen? Now as soon as the person won the game, then this play again actually worked. Okay, so this play again actually like should work. So like what I'll do, I'll put a play again. So now the play again worked and I got an hello option, right? Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's do repeat the same thing and with the bracket. Okay, let it compile. Okay, there are something. So now you can see hello is from the top. If you guys don't believe me, just okay, I'll reload it again. Okay, let's remove it and let's reload it again. Okay, so let's clear it. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so guys, you can see the button did not appear automatically. That what happened? That play again was called. Okay, and this hello came, right? It that button did not popped up here. I did not need to click on that button to call it. What does that mean? Like if I put a bracket here, so this function can call itself on. It will not depend on the button to call it, right? Remove this pen icon. Okay, I'll remove this pen icon. Wait. That was just for testing initially. Okay, so I'll remove the default case. Save it. Okay. Oh, so have I used that pen icon at a number of places? That may be the error. Wait 1 second. Let me reload it once and check it. Let it reload. Okay. Win message, congratulations. It's taking a while for the React to load. Okay. So you guys are clear about that. Why did I use a bracket there? Okay, let it load for some time. Are you guys very clear why I use a bracket, why I did not use a bracket, and if I use a bracket, what will happen? Is line number 78 clear to all of you? Yes, no? Okay, what actually happened? Nothing was okay. Okay, the problem with this is okay, because I am using a not there. No, every time there is no value, right? But I'm trying to return, so I should have something to return, right? So in this case, what I'll do, I will do a empty return. That will be okay, right? Instead of this, let me check it. Yes, yes, for that that you understood about that line, right? Okay, very good. Okay, so now if I click, things are okay, right? So that was just for your testing stuff. This you have one. So I want you guys to work on this part also. You have to make this play again in the center and put the color, these colors according to the background. Okay. So now you guys will discuss about, since you guys understood that, so let's go to the second case. The second case will be, now at the second place in the changed item, I have to use this bracket because you cannot pass a parameter. If you have to pass a parameter somewhere, like suppose you have to pass a parameter in a play again, then of course you have to use a bracket, right? But if you use a bracket, what will happen? It will not wait for your click. It will automatically work, right? So in that place, that is why, like, since I use a brackets, this will automatically work. Just to avoid that case, what I did, I use a callback. So what is a callback? Basically, if you guys don't know it, see, I can give you a little idea about. So now this is a function. Let's name it sum. Okay, and let's give it a value like a comma b. Okay, sorry. Okay, so if you have to call this function now, what will we do? We'll write sum a comma b. So I mean I meant to say 10 comma 20. You'll pass some value, right? This is how we call a function. But there are some function which does not have a name. Okay, so this now I cannot call this like this. Empty like no name, so I can directly put it like no name. Though this way cannot be called. This is only called if some event has occurred, like a button has been clicked or something will occur. This will then only this will be called. It cannot call itself like a function can call itself, right? So this cannot call itself. So if I use the normal like, and what will be the stuff? So if I remove a word function, this will be the syntax, ESX feature syntax, right? If I convert a thing to a callback, I mean to say arrow function syntax, right? And a function you already know. If I for a function, how can I convert it? Function ABC. For a function, I can convert it like this, right? Remove the word function, write ABC, and then put a equals to, and after this, I'll put a quotes and X. Okay. So these are the two syntax I'm using. Now, since callback cannot call itself, so what will happen? Of course, it will not call, and then so it will wait for where is the callback? What happened to my callback? Card, yeah. So now it will wait for the card to be clicked. When the card is being clicked, then only this callback will be called. Once the callback has been called, then only change item will work. Else the change item will not work. Okay. Function call itself is recursion. Yeah. So like if you are calling a function itself, that means the function is written inside the function, right? No? Then it's called recursion. Yeah. So is everything clear to all of you guys? Yes, no? Do you have a problem in any of the lines? So I thought it. Oh, did I taught it to people? Okay, I forgot that. Because I am teaching at number of places, so I actually do not remember. Did I actually taught it? Okay. So now you guys understood it, right? Any confusion in any of the part? So now I'm just here for your confusions and doubts. Okay. So 2 minutes for your confusion. Then I'll start a timer. 1 minute timer. So I'll update these codes on GitHub. Till that time, Control C. What happened to my Control C? Wait. Terminal, new terminal. Is it responsive for all device? Let's check it out. One second. I think it's responsive enough, right? Right? Yep. Okay. So these are your assignment. So just to be clear, no confusion. What's today's assignment? Okay. So today's assignment is number 1. Okay. These are the things that you have to do. So at currently, our game does not give you an option to select. Like the player who will start, he has to start with X. Okay. So I want you guys to give the player an option. He want to start with X or he want to start with O. Clear? Okay. Number 1. Okay, I did not use Tostify, right? Oh, sorry. Yeah, Jay, sorry. Okay, if the person win, I want a message from the Tostify, right? Sorry for that. So let's use Tostify. Okay, so let's see. I actually missed to use Tostify, right? I just thank you for reminding me. So here I can what I can do above my row. I have used my toast container. There are two things like I have used a toast container is left, right? So I can use a toast container here. Toast container. Okay. So in the toast container, basically what I'll do, I'll see the position where it should be coming from. So position is equal. So there are a lot of positions here. So I'll tell you about the position. So now what I'll do, I'll just close it, right? And then wait a second, what happens? Test continue. Okay. So for the position, what are the different positions available? It can be from the top center, it can be from the bottom center. Sorry. So there are different positions like this. So what I'll go with the bottom center position. Okay, bottom center. Okay, so this is the position which I'll go. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Let's try to win a game. Okay. Oh, I did not get the pop-up. Wait. Okay. Wait 1 second. Terminal, new terminal. Let's go here. I think let's delete it. Let's restart the thing again. I think I just close the server firstly. npm start. Okay, let it happen. Then we guys will be observe the toast. Okay, I forgot about the toast. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, Suraj. I just forgot about it. Yeah, Radhika, where are you stuck at? Okay, let's do the toast. Let it load. Then we can finally have our toast popping up. Sir, what is if we want to play with computer? Can we do it? Yep, you can definitely do it. Okay, so till it loads, I'll tell you the assignment quickly, guys. Okay, for all of you. So number 1 assignment is like for now, I don't give a user the option he want to start with X or O. I want you guys to give the user an option if you want to start with X or if you want to start with O. This is number 1. Okay. Number 2. Number two. Okay. So of course, you have to work on a design a little, improve the design, no doubt, right? Okay, let's check this. Okay, the pop-up is not coming. Let's check it. Why is the toast not working? So let's go to inspect. Let's go to 1 second, guys. Let's go to console. Okay, this is one error. And okay. Let's sort it out. So this is the position of the toast. Okay, toast container. Okay, this is okay. So sir, we did not put a toast for a winning. Okay, we did not put a toast for a winning. Oh, okay, yeah. So, okay, we put a toast for here, right? Yeah, okay. So now we have a toast, right? Awesome. So let's play again. So if I mark on the same thing, I'll get a toast, right? Open your eyes, dude. Where are you tapping? Yeah, right? Yeah. We got a toast, right? Great, guys. Awesome. Okay, guys. So things are here. So now your assignment are very clear, right? This was your assignment questions are number one. Like you have to give them user option. This is your the first thing. The second thing I was thinking, of course, you need to like what do you say, choose a better decorate it better, like put a better things. Okay. The third thing, like after the game is getting, you are winning the game. Okay. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry. This game will be a draw. Okay. So you can see I'm not getting a draw option, right? Okay. So you guys need like you guys need to add a condition where I'm not going to tell you. So when it is draw, it should show the game is draw. Okay. Okay. So remember these two things, and the third thing is the button that was coming here. You have to place the button in the center. Means decorate the, of course, the CSS part, the draw part, and give the users the option which they want to choose, either X or O. This is the three assignment that you have to improve in this game. Hope this is clear to all of you. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's all from my side. Okay. So I'm just looking for some of your doubts. Just 1 second. Sir, I posted my question over. Where is your question, Radhika? Sir, I'm stuck at this. And what is that? You are stuck at this. What is this, Radhika? Okay. So today, I will give you like what do you say, 2 minutes, because there have been some you guys have some questions. So timer, no, stopwatch online timer. I will give you 2 minutes quickly. 2:00. Okay. I'll start till 2 minutes. I'll be answering the question. Then I'll end the session from my side. Start. So questions, guys. Questions. Waiting. And also, guys, make this game on your own. If you again make this on your own, you may have some doubts that you can ask me in the next class. Okay. Like currently, since I told everything, you understood very well. But when you make it on your own, you may realize, why did I do this? Why did I do that? Okay. That will be the thing. Okay. Tanuza, solution for this error. No problem. That will not affect anything. Okay. Be chill. Tanuza, that WDS thing. Okay. Okay, guys. And Nikhil, LetsUpgrade will send you all the codes and all that. So not a problem. Okay. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Yeah, the assignment questions are number one. You have to write a condition for a draw because that is not working. I did not write it. Okay. Number two, you have to do the proper CSS coloring and all the placing the button in the center and all those stuffs. Okay. And the third thing is like, yeah, the questions will be posted in our community. Okay. And the third thing will be what was the thing that you have to give the user the option to choose between X and O. When executed in load, but it is showing correct output in the browser. I did not got it's scrambled. What do you mean by that? Sir, my code in VS Code, but when I executed in local it was showing correct output in the browser. So it's good, right? Basha? What do you scramble means you have not written it properly. That it means, right? Yeah, you cannot create a React project with capital letters, only small letters. Mantha. Okay. Okay, bye guys. So now I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Bye guys.